Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get dragon pepper and grow a garden. Alright, let's begin. Dragon pepper is one of the newest seeds added to grow a garden. It's a special variation of the dragon fruit and can be obtained by crafting specific seed packs. Although the summer honey event that introduced it is now over, you can still create the seed pack needed to get the dragon pepper. To start, go to the crafting area and scroll up to find the crafted seed pack. This pack has a 0.5% chance of giving you a dragon pepper. To craft it, you'll need 10 honey and 1 flower seed pack. To get honey, use the honey compressor. Place any pollinated plant weighing 10 kilograms into the machine. This will produce 1 unit of raw honey. Do this until you have 10. As for the flower seed pack, it was originally available through the seasonal event, but it can still be obtained from Harvest Points milestones or trading with other players. Look for it under the rare or legendary rewards. Once you have both ingredients, craft the seed pack and open it. Keep in mind, the drop rate is low, so you might need to craft multiple packs. The dragon pepper seed is rare, but with persistence, you can get it. So that's basically how you can get dragon pepper and grow a garden. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.